Hello Python enthusiast. Let us understand list comprehension with the help of simple example. So here I want to find out the even numbers from the list. So I already declared a list 1 having the 5 element and I want to find out the even numbers from this list. So simple way to find out the even number is nothing but I am going to traverse this list with the help of for loop and I will check for every number whether it is even and odd with the help of mod, and after that I am going to print that data. So if I try to print this value of I, you can find out that this value will be a not part of a list. But now my requirement is like I want to print a data in a list form only. So now you need to update this code. So how we are going to update this code? So for updation, I am going to create one more empty list whose name is even, in which I am going to add a data. So after that, again I will use a for loop to traverse existing list. I will check every number is even and odd with the help of mod function, and after that we are going to add that data if it is even into the even list with the help of append function. And after that, if you try to use a printf statement for printing even list, you will get the output of a list having the element 2 and 4. Here you are getting the answer as per your requirement. But again, if I want the concise and clean way for creating a list from existing list comprehension is one more solution. So let us check how this list comprehension will be used to find out the even number from the existing list and creating a new list of even numbers. So here I have used the even one as a new list which is created from existing list 1. So again, whatever the for loop if condition I have given for previous code, the same we are going to use inside a rectangular bracket. And this is the concise way for writing a list comprehension method. So here definitely you are getting the output in a list form only. So here we can conclude that list comprehension are syntactic form in Python which allow the programmer to loop over and transform an iterable in one line. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.